السلام عليكم، مرحبا بكم في البودكاست جديد من بودكاست مسيلة Learn English with مسيلة. بودكاست إن شاء الله غادي يكون على job interview، يعني مقابلة عمل. غادي نشرح الكلمات الصعاب باللغة الإنجليزية. هذا البودكاست غادي يكون only English، فقط بالإنجليزية، ولكن بالإنجليزية بسيطة سهلة اللي أي واحد يقدر يفهمها. Just listen to the podcast many times. اسمع لي بزاف ديال المرات وغادي تفهم. So let's start. A surprising job interview. Once upon a time, or one day, there was a person named Alex. Alex was looking for a job or a work. So Alex saw an ad in a newspaper. An ad. Ad means advertising, Ad or advertising. So he saw an ad, an advertising, a pub or publicity in social media accounts like Facebook, like YouTube, So an ad or an advertising in a newspaper, newspaper for news and all that stuff. So he said an ad in a newspaper for a job that sounded interesting, sounded interesting. Interesting means important, interesting or important for Alex. Very important for Alex, interesting. It was for a company, a company called Bright Tech. The company's name was Bright Tech. So Alex decided to apply for the job. Give them his reason. Give them his reason to apply, because he wanted to work in that company. So he decided to apply for that job. Alex wrote a reason that listed all the skills and experiences. So skills means we can say talents, a little bit talents, but skills, that something you know how to do it. For example, I have a skill about content creation. I can speak front of camera, so this is a skill. For example, I know how to edit my videos, so this is a skill. For example, Cristiano Ronaldo, he's a wonderful or the best football player like Messi. So this is a skill, He has skill about football, His skill is to play football. So Alex wrote a resume that listed all the skills and experiences, Experiences. So experience means we all work at someone without money. For what? To make the experience, To make the experience, to know how to do something. So this is the experience, or knowing something. So then Alex sent the resume to Bright Tech. Soon Alex got an email inviting for a job interview. Alex was excited. So excited means super happy, or super energetic. Super happy, super energetic. So that's mean excited, not bored or sleepy. No, not bored and sleepy. No, excited, Very happy and very energetic, So excited, so happy. So on the day of the interview, or interview, the same. Alex put on nice clothes and went to Brightech's office. Okay, Brightech's office. We can say Brightech's office or the office of Brightech. Okay, the company's name was Brightech. So he went. Okay, he went to Brightech's office. The office was big and had many people working. Okay? A lot of people working. So Alex was a little nervous, okay? Oh no, I'm nervous. Oh, nervous, okay? Nervous. Not calm and relaxed. No, nervous, okay? I can't believe, I'm nervous. But also excited. So Alex excited and nervous at the same time. So Alex nervous but also excited to meet the interviewer or the interviewer. So the interviewer's name was Sarah. Okay? The interviewer's name was Sarah, or the name of the interviewer was Sarah. Same. She had a friendly smile. She asked Alex about their skills and experiences. Alex answered the questions as best as they could. Sarah nodded and smiled. Nodded means moved her head. Okay, moved her head up and down. Okay, he nodded. He moved her hand up and down. So the interviewer's name was Sarah, of course. Then Sarah asked a surprising question. She said, "Tell me about a time when you had to work with a team to solve a problem." What did Sarah say? Sarah said, "Tell me about a time when you had to work with a team to solve a problem." Okay, a problem. Alex thought from think. Okay, think. Alex thought, or he thought, for a moment or a second, and then remembered a school project. Okay, a school project. Alex told the story about how they worked with classmates to build a big puzzle. Okay, puzzle like a game for the kids. Okay, puzzle or game for kids, or like the Monopoly, like all that stuff. Okay, puzzle. So Sarah listened carefully. Okay, very, very carefully, and seemed impressed, or look like impressed, seemed impressed. She asked a few more questions about how Alex handled challenges and worked with others. Alex tried to answer honestly and clearly. Okay, honestly, he said the truth, and clearly or vividly. Okay, clearly and vividly. So the interviewer went on for a while, and Alex started feeling more comfortable talking to Sarah. They talk about hobbies. Okay, hobbies like football, like tennis, like whatever that you like to do or that you love to do. Okay, those are hobbies. Okay, not skills, hobbies like swimming, like cycling, running, painting, all that stuff. Okay, So those are hobbies. And interests. Interests too. So interests means something that you attract to, that you like to do, okay? That you want to do. Interests. Sarah seemed to be interested in getting to know Alex as a person. Alex as a person. Not just as a potential employee. At the end of the interview, Sarah smiled and said, "Thank you, Alex. You did a great job. A very, very good job in the interview. We will be in touch soon." Alex thanked Sarah and left the office, feeling happy. A few days later, Alex got an email from Bright Tech. The email said that they were impressed with Alex's interview and wanted to offer them the job. Alex was so overjoyed, super, super, super happy, overjoyed. They couldn't believe their luck or their chance. So Alex started working at Bright Tech and wondered that it was a wonderful place, a very, very good place, amazing place. Wonderful means amazing, best, okay? A favorite, his favorite place. So, good place, a very, very good place, wonderful, amazing, best place. So, the coworkers were friendly and helpful. The coworkers, or the friend in the work, or the friends in the work means coworkers. Okay, coworkers means the friend of the work, or the friends of the work, were friendly and helpful. Okay, friendly means nice, okay, and helpful. The job tasks were challenging, but also interesting. Okay, Alex felt like they were part of the big team, just like the puzzle project from the school. As time went on, Alex learned new things and grew in their role. They remembered the surprising interview with Sarah and how she cared about more than just skills. Alex realized or remember that being honest, okay, open, and showing who you really are can make a big difference in job interviews in life. So being honest, okay, said the truth, okay, or say the truth, okay. You must to say the correct answers and the correct ideas, not to lie at someone, okay? Say the truth, okay? Be honest, okay? Open and showing who you really are, okay? Your true personality, okay? Your true personality. You really are who you really are, okay? Your true personality can make a big difference, okay? Big difference in job interviews in life. So, Alex's journey at Bright Tech began, all because of surprising job interview that turned into a great opportunity for growth and success. Okay, this is the end of the podcast. I hope you listen to the podcast. If you don't understand some words, you can translate it, but please, please, please don't use translation a lot, okay? Rather than using the Google image, okay? So use Google image better than using translate or translation. So I hope you understand. I hope you enjoy as well. So if you have any question, please put in on the comment below if you are listening to the story on YouTube. And send me any notice that you want me to change in the podcast. So that's all. See you next podcast, inshallah. Ciao.